Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will be making bakery style blueberry muffins. So let's get to it. For this recipe you will need 2.5 cups of flour, 3/4 of a cup of sugar, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1.5 to 2 tablespoons of coarse sugar, 1 cup of buttermilk, 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, in this case I'm using avocado oil, 2 eggs, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1.5 cups of blueberries. Fresh or frozen, I used frozen. So here I am just adding the dry ingredients together minus the coarse sugar because that will come in at the end. So I'm whisking that together, making sure it's all incorporated. Now time to mix the wet ingredients together. So make sure you mix that well, and then I'm adding the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients here. So you don't want to mix this too vigorously, you just want to mix it slowly and make sure that you don't overbeat the batter, because at this point you just want to make sure that the flour is incorporated to the wet ingredients. You don't want to overmix. So right when you get to the point where the flour is mixed in, you add the blueberries. And if you're using frozen blueberries, just fold them in slowly, because if not, if you go hard, the blueberries will make your batter all purple. So I'm making 6 jumbo muffins, but you can use standard cupcake sized muffin liners if you'd like. And fill right up to the top to get that big bakery style muffin that we're going for here. And liberally sprinkle the coarse sugar over the tops. So when that's done, you want to bring it to the oven and have your preheated oven at 400 degrees. And for the jumbo muffins, you want to make sure that you cook for like 40 to 45 minutes. But if you're using standard cupcake sized pans, then you will want to cook 22 to 26 minutes. And when they're done, you want to let them cool in a cooling rack for 10 to 15 minutes before you enjoy. So here you have it, a nice dome top with that beautiful sparkling sugar on top. Here I am, I'm cutting into the middle so you can see what it looks like inside. I hope you enjoyed my video, and I hope you try this recipe out. Until next time.